Welcome to the best picks. The best robot kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational ways for teenagers to dive into the exciting world of robotics, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and a deeper understanding of STEM principles through hands-on experience. This video will explore the top robot kits available, comparing features, ease of use, and educational value to help you choose the perfect kit for your team. Number 5. Science4you Scorpiobot. This robotics kit lets you build your very own Scorpiobot robot. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about robotics and engineering. With 161 pieces and easy-to-follow instructions, building it is a breeze. It comes with everything you need to bring your robot to life. Once built, you can watch it move backward and forward. It has a small built-in motor powered by AA batteries. It's the perfect blend of science and building. This toy will inspire a love for STEM in kids aged 8 to 12. Looking for a unique gift? This robot is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's a gift that keeps on giving, both fun and educational. What we like. It has many pieces to build a robot, and the robot can move after built. It's a great STEM toy to develop children's interest in science and engineering. If you are looking for a fun and educational building toy for your children, you should consider this one. What people say. My kid loved building it. Worth the money, works really well. Grandson immediately set to building it and very pleased. He loves playing with it. Number 4. ELEGOO R3 Smart Robot Car V4. Get ready to explore the exciting world of robotics. This kit is designed to make learning fun and engaging for young minds. It comes with everything you need, 24 different modules, including obstacle avoidance, line tracing, and even infrared remote control. You can even control it with your phone or tablet. Building it is a breeze. The easy-to-use XH 2.54 connectors make assembly simple and reduce the chance of mistakes. We've got you covered with high-definition instructions and all the necessary code to get you started. Follow along and build your robot car from scratch. It's the ideal STEM gift for kids aged 8 and up. It's a fun and educational way to learn about programming, electronics, and robotics. It's a perfect gift for kids and teens. This kit is more than just a toy, it's a learning experience. It's a great way to learn about electronics, programming, and robotics in a fun and engaging way. What we like. This is a smart robot car kit that can be controlled by coding. It comes with all the parts you need and is easy to assemble. If your child is interested in coding and robotics, this is a great choice. What people say. Parts are very sturdy. The manual combined with the YT video steps were very helpful, but you definitely need both. Lots of devices for a beginner kit. It includes 4 separately controlled motors for the wheels, a camera, ultrasonic sensor, line following sensor. There is a servo on the camera sonic face so you can turn it. A few extra parts are included for further experimentation. Number 3. Mech 5 Coding Robot. Get ready to meet Mech 5, the amazing mechanical coding robot designed to spark your child's imagination and love for engineering. It's the perfect blend of fun and learning. Mech 5 is all about hands-on learning. It features engaging missions that teach mechanical engineering and coding basics through play. It's a fantastic way for kids to explore STEM concepts. Watch it throw, lift, kick, and even draw. It's all possible by snapping coding buttons onto the coding wheel. The possibilities are endless. It's simple to build, easy to code, and incredibly fun to watch in action. This robot makes learning fun and engaging for young minds. Mech 5 is perfect for future engineers aged 10 and up. It's designed to inspire creativity and problem-solving skills through interactive play. Get ready to build, code, and watch your creation come to life. With Mech 5, learning is an adventure. It's more than just a toy, it's a tool to unlock a child's potential and ignite a passion for STEM. Get yours today. What we like. It is a mechanical coding robot that allows kids to learn coding through hands-on experience. It's designed for kids to learn mechanical engineering and coding basics. If you want your child to learn coding in a fun and engaging way, this is the perfect option. What people say. Good things come to those who wait. Bought this for my son, 10, who is noted for his meticulous nature. He had no trouble assembling it in various forms, without adult assistance. The robot in operation is quite loud, but then it's plastic gears and an exposed motor, so this is not terribly surprising. The programming aspect is simple but fun. Number 2. Engino STEM Toys, Buildings and Bridges. This innovative toy teaches kids about building and bridges. It's a fun and educational way to learn about engineering and science. It lets you discover the forces at play in buildings and bridges and how they support massive weight. You can build 9 different working models. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, plus 10 pages of theory and facts. It even includes fun experiments and a quiz to test your knowledge. It was chosen as one of the 21 best STEM toys to spark your child's interest in technology. It's a great way to make learning fun. With our interactive 3D app, you can build in virtual reality. It's a great way to enhance your learning experience. It features award-winning components designed to make complex scientific concepts easy to understand. It's proudly made in Europe. It's perfect for kids aged 9 and up. It's a great gift for boys and girls who are interested in STEM. What we like. It allows kids to build 9 different models, and it comes with an interactive app. It's an educational toy that teaches kids about buildings and bridges. If you are looking for an educational toy that is also fun and engaging, this is a great option. What people say. The video shows step-by-step construction. My 8-year-old grandson enjoyed building the selected bridge with his dad. The parts snapped together and created a sturdy structure. I like the product because it's perfect for the classroom. Durable materials, smooth surfaces, and plenty of parts to encourage creativity. My 8-year-old was able to follow all of the directions by himself. The pieces are easily identifiable and durably built. Number 1. National Geographic Rocket Launcher. It's the motorized rocket toy that will take your outdoor adventures to a whole new level. With a single charge, it can soar up to 200 feet, providing hours of fun. Choose your desired altitude with 3 simple settings. Watch it fly higher and longer with each selected mode. Its innovative design includes rotor blades for a safe and controlled descent. No more worrying about lost rockets. Everything is included for an immediate launch. This set includes a launch pad, charging cable, and decals to customize it. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational experience that sparks curiosity and a love for science. We stand behind our products with exceptional service. What we like. This rocket can launch up to 200 feet high with 3 different flight settings. It has a safe landing mechanism. If your child loves outdoor activities and space exploration, this is a great gift for them. What people say. It has a green light so it can easily flown at dusk when there is less wind. You can easily see it as it goes up and as it comes down. The helicopter return comes down reasonably quickly, so if there is wind it doesn't blow too far away. The rocket deserves 5 stars for its engineering, performance and fun level, but since it has to be lightweight to fly, it is very fragile. It does fly very high and then opens to rotate copter style downward to land. This rocket, as so many other reviews mention, is really fun to watch. It goes up satisfyingly high even on the lowest setting, and the highest power is impressive. Watching it come down is a marvel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.